Why General Constantino Gouveia Dominic Nyikadzino, CGD and Chiwenga stands out as a better presidential candidate than Kuda Tagwirei. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda panapa. Vanhu vari kuuya vane maviews avo akasiyana-siyana. As we all see kuti in the ruling party ZANU-PF mava nemafactions, mava nemapoka. Each and every faction inenge ichiuya ichisapota munhu wayo best nemaonero avo nemaviews. Usadapinda mashoko emamwe maviews ariyo nevamwe vanhu uri wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Muchazvirega anopinda panapa achiti the race for leadership is heating up with these various candidates vying for the top position. Among the notable contenders are General Constantino Chiwenga, a seasoned military leader and current vice president, and Kuda Tagwirei, a prominent businessman. General Constantino Chiwenga's career in the Zimbabwe National Army spans decades, culminating his role as the commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. His leadership was pivotal during the 2017 military intervention that led to the resignation of former President Robert Mugabe. His experience not only showcases his strategic acumen, but also his ability to make tough decisions in the face of national crisis. In contrast, Kuda Tagwirei's background is deeply rooted in business, particularly in the fuel and mining sectors. While his success in the corporate world is undeniable, the transition from a business magnate to a national leader requires a different set of skills and experiences, which Chiwenga has in abundance. Retired Chiwenga's political journey is marked by his tenure as Vice President of Zimbabwe, a position that allowed him to engage directly with the national and international political dynamics. His involvement in the ruling ZANU-PF party further cements his political credentials. Chiwenga's understanding of the party's inner workings and his ability to rally support are critical assets in the political arena. Tagwirei, on the other hand, has been influential behind the scenes, often through his business dealings and financial support to political figures. However, direct political experience is crucial for a presidential candidate, and Chiwenga's hands-on involvement in governments gives him a significant edge. General Chiwenga has articulated a vision for Zimbabwe that focuses on economic recovery, social stability, and regional cooperation. His military background informs his approach to security and governance, promising a disciplined and structured administration. Retired Chiwenga's emphasis on anti-corruption measures and economic reforms resonates with many Zimbabweans who are weary of past government issues. Zimbabwe's next president, the choice between retired General Constantino Chiwenga and business Kuda Tagwirei is clear. General Chiwenga's extensive military and political experience, coupled with his vision for a reformed and stable Zimbabwe, making him more suitable and a more suitable candidate. His ability to navigate complex political landscapes and his direct engagement with governance issues set him apart from Tagwirei, whose strengths lie primarily in the business realm. General Chiwenga emerges as a stronger contender for the presidency. Ndomasho kwambira togona nata muchazvirega pamwe nawo yaTagwirei naVP Constantino Chiwenga vachiti aiwa general ndo vari best fit kuchinhu ichi. Pida kuma section yedu dzemafunguro muri kudipa musoro femaonero ake nemafunguro ake. Pida kuma section yedu subscribe like chotamba bell icon. Ndomasho kwambira togona nata muchazvirega pamwe nawo yaTagwirei naVP Constantino Chiwenga vachiti aiwa general ndo vari best fit kuchinhu ichi. Pida kuma section yedu dzemafunguro muri kudipa musoro femaonero ake nemafunguro ake. Pida kuma section yedu subscribe like chotamba bell icon.